Today, I'd like to show you how to draw symmetrically using Procreate. First, start by opening the Procreate app. Once you have your canvas, press the spanner button and then come down and press the second in canvas. Toggle on Drawing Guide and then go to Edit Drawing Guide. Come down to the bottom and press Symmetry. That will bring up your symmetrical drawing line. It's as easy as that, and now you're drawing symmetrically. If you'd like to toggle off the drawing guide, simply come up to your layers, press the current layer and toggle off Drawing Assist. This will then allow you to draw normally. To turn it back on, simply do the reverse of this. If you'd like Drawing Assist on a new layer, simply make a new layer and then press Drawing Assist. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.